teacher, I am Andres Camilo, and today I am going to explain the important facts of the Eiffel Tower. First, the important fact of the Eiffel Tower is that it was completed in 1889 and it had the tallest structure record until 1930. Another fact is that the Eiffel Tower was built in Paris, France, and was built by the Universal Exposition of 1889. The tower is on the south bank of the River Sena. This is the River Sena, and one end of the large park called Champ de Mars. This is the park here. Okay. Another fact is that the tower on the sides, these sides, has palace, ponds, monuments, cultural centers, hotel, restaurants, and luxury shops. Okay, wait a second. Okay, the design of the tower was by two engineers whose names were Maurice Koechlin and Emilino Gier Daris. They were the main company of the Eiffel Tower, but in the the two engineers has a tooth, and in the end they brought an engineer named Stephen Sylvester to see if the Eiffel Tower was solid and attractive. The builders has to be careful for the Eiffel Tower was stable, and the base of the Eiffel Tower is made of stone and cement, and the bolts were replaced by rivets. This is the rivets. Okay. I forget a important fact. 300 artists wanted to stop the Eiffel Tower, but the exposition ignored them because the artists thought that was ugly the Tower Eiffel, but no. Okay. The first floor has restaurants, shops, and ice rink on the last floor. This is a glass floor. This is an ice rink, and this is the restaurants. And finish them at the top of the Eiffel Tower. The view is incredible. This is the view, and the conclusion is that it's a marvel of engineering, and 7 million people visit it a year. And no more. Thank you, teacher.